Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall and remove Google Drive from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your taskbar, and here you can see we have a arrow icon over here. So you need to click on this arrow icon, and here you can see we have a Google Drive icon over here. So first of all we need to quit from here. So just right click on this icon and then click here quit drive for desktop. After that, what you need to do is that you need to go to your setting. So go to your Windows search option, search over here setting. Here you can see settings. Click on this. Then you need to go to apps, then install apps. So in the install apps, right now you need to search for Google Drive. And here you can see Google Drive. So we need to click on this three dot, click on uninstall. And here you can see if we now click on uninstall, Google Drive will be completely removed from our system. And there you go. Now we can just close this and close everything else. So there you can see there is no Google Drive icon over here. So this is how easily you can remove Google Drive from Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.